So this is the brand new Rivarossi HO scale model of the Deutsche Bundesbahn Br55. Very nicely done, and I've been caught out once again. It has got metal tender and metal boiler, and perhaps you can actually see that from the semi-gloss finish that they've painted it in. It seems to show. It's kind of funny, there's no mention in the catalogues, so you're always worried with some of these locos that there's something that they found in the archive. But this is a completely new model and done to a very high specification. The mechanism seems to be nice and smooth as well. The drive is on the main wheels. Oops. The tender contains all the electronics, so there's a sound decoder and speaker in the tender. I like just the feature there, the curtains at the back of the cab, the weather curtains. So it's a factory fitted sound decoder by Zemo. 28 functions. It does go to a coasting beat. It's a really impressive model. And there's a firebox glow there with the coal shuffling effect. There's an NEM coupler pocket on the front. There's a spare coupling in the parts bag, and there's also one on the back with a swallowtail fitment, so it's got standard European hoop coupling. You can replace it. If we stop it, if I cut the power, I'll show you how it joins together. The tender has got an 8-pin coupling, so very neatly done. All the wiring is held very cleanly in there.